In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook not sending emails. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, but first and foremost, you want to check your internet connection. So what you want to do is you want to confirm that you're online in the first place, and you're able to check over here if you're on a PC. So it's going to let you know if you are connected. So yep, I'm connected to the Ethernet, which is just the Wi-Fi. But if you notice that you're not connected, then that is likely why you're not able to send emails on Outlook. So what I also recommend that you guys do is restart your router. And what I mean by that is go ahead and unplug it for like 30 seconds, and then after those 30 seconds plug it back in and then see if your Wi-Fi actually is fixed, and that usually gets the job done for me most of the time. All right, now another reason why your email can't be sending is due to large attachments. So Outlook often fails if files are over 20 to 25 megabytes. So you will need to compress the file, or you will need to upload it to a service like Mediafire or Google Drive and then send them a link instead. So sometimes your file could be way too big and it just doesn't handle it well. Also, make sure you send it to a valid email. So if an email just doesn't exist, Outlook is not going to send it. So always double check that your email is correct, and also make sure to add a subject line and a detailed email as well. So what could be happening is that you didn't input the email correctly, and therefore it is giving you that issue. Also, be sure to check your Outlook settings. So go over here to the top menu, select on File, then select on Settings, make sure to select on General. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that says offline. And you want to make sure that this is on right over here, include file attachments, because if you're trying to add an attachment to your email and this is turned off, that is going to cause issues, and you can make other adjustments as well. Unfortunately, there is no simple cookie cutter solution. So if you guys have any other ideas, please let me know in the comment section down below so that you're able to help out other people. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you later, French fries.